Okay, guys, so we're back 47. According to Jabari or Jazzy, one of them, this internet are all fighting me down. I don't know what is going on. But let us try to finish up the paper. So 47, what word is used to describe that part of a river's course which is wide and shallows and has bars and islands around which the river flows? So 47 would be A, right? 47 is A, which is a braided channel. So 47 is a braided channel. 48, the process by which beach material is moved along a coast by the wave action, we call that what? What moves sediment along the coast? So 48, process that moves sediment along the coast. For 48. So it moves sediment or beach material along the coast. What process is that? Very good. It's longshore drift. Very good, Orlando. See. Orlando, I'm sorry about the internet. I have no idea why my internet is fighting me down. Right? Every day like that. 40, sorry, 49. 49 now. Which of the following is not a problem affecting industrial development in the Caribbean? And we did this. We said that it is 49 is, which one is 49? Guys, remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Subscribe to the channel, please. So 49 is D because we have a large population in the Caribbean that always needs employment. So 50 now. Which of the following measures do governments use to influence the location of industries in the Caribbean? Well, to influence the location of industries. So 50, it is B, right? So they usually provide tax incentives. Very good. 50 is B. So 50 is B. So B is provision of tax and provision of the physical infrastructure. 51. Which of the following features is typical of large-scale commercial farming? 51. And this is like plantation agriculture. When you talk about large scale, we're talking about plantation agriculture like sugar cane and very good. Intensive mechanization, and mechanization is the use of machinery in agriculture. So you have intensive use. So 52 now. 52. Which of the following contributes most to pollution in the capital cities? And we said that most of our cities, right, they're quite small and they have a lot of through flow of cars, traffic congestion, which would cause that pollution by cars, right? That exhaust fume by motor vehicles because of the amount of traffic. Excuse me. Which of the following statements about soil is generally true? So we got this question last day as well. So 53, very good Jabari. 53 is C. Very good Jabari. That was quick. That was very quick. 54. So 54 now. If you look at 54, where would early settlers locate? And we said Y yesterday, right? 54 is C. Orlando, 53 is C, right? And 54 is C. 55 now. Looking at 55, which of the following factors is the most important contributor to the growth of capital cities in the Caribbean? What has influenced urbanization the most? 55 is, and it's B. A lot of young people would move from the rural areas and go to the urban areas in search of employment. And this is the main thing that has influenced people because there are a lot of services that will provide jobs to them. So it is B. 56, tourism. What about tourism? So I just gave you all the answer, right? Tourism is our major leading revenue earner. So 56 is A. Very good. 57 now. 57. So you have soil erosion, and then what is the last consequence there? After soil erosion, what happens? Number 57. D, very good. Reduce soil fertility because when soil erosion takes place, and of course you have flooding, it washes it out, all of the nutrients and minerals from the soil. So 59 now. 59. Sorry, 58. Why am I going to 59? 58. Which of the following consequence can result from tropical deforestation? 58 is B. Very good. 58 is B. 58 is B. Loss of flora, right? Flora is plants, fauna is animals. 59 now talks about what are the common causes of coastal pollution in the Caribbean, and that one is easy. 59 is 59 is B. Very good. 59 is B, right? So if you look at B, it's oil spills, right, from ocean vessels, right, for coastal, and then you have discharge of waste. The poisonous fumes would be air pollution, not coastal pollution. And 60 now, the last one. How can we reduce the reduction of fossil fuels and solar, which is 60 is C. Very good. Okay, do you all want to go to 2016 now? Do you all want to do 2016? We can try to do two today. Would you all like to go over 2016? Let me know so that we can go through 2016. Okay, let's go. 2016. Hi, Danny. Nice to have you on. Good. So 2016, you all have the paper. If not, go to the Discord channel and get it. I'm going to post the answer sheet to 2017 to the Discord channel as well. So, okay, so 2016, number one. Let's go. So, again, you have a map. Which island is located at 1461? So, we got this, but now they're actually asking you for the actual country. So, 1461, what country is at 1461? This is 2016. It is St. Lucia, which is C. Very good. Number two, Havana, and Havana is in Cuba. Which latitude and longitude is that? Cuba is located where? Uh-uh. It's why else? Let me check that again. So Havana is around 23. No, y'all, it's not C. Look again. Look where Havana is. It's not 88. Is it 88? Mm-mm. It's decreasing. The longitude is how much? So it is D. Can you all see that? It's decreasing. So it's D, right? D. Very good. Number three. Good, Orlando, Lydia, Danny. Number three. Which city is located 1,000 kilometers from Santo Domingo? So look for Santo Domingo. And which country is 1,000? Good afternoon. No limit, Nicole. Number three. Which country, y'all, is located 1,000 kilometers from Santo Domingo? That is what? Very good. See, it's Montego Bay. Montego Bay. Number four. An airplane leaves Port of Spain for Kingston, Jamaica. Which direction is that airplane going to fly or is flying? So it's leaving Trinidad going to Jamaica. It will be flying in what direction? B. Very good. On north. Very good. Very good. So this is longitude and time now. If the time in Santo Domingo is 3 p.m., what time is it in Belmopan? Belmopan is actually in Belize. So you would be, therefore, you are going back, right? So it means that you are actually subtracting. So Santo Domingo You are subtracting. So the answer is very good, B. Number 5, right? It is 2 p.m. because it's back in time, right? You are subtracting 1 hour. So that is 2 p.m., which is B. Very good, Lydia, Orlando, very good. Number 6. So number 6 is a gradient question, and it tells you you have 2 points on a slope. The difference in height is 40. What is the gradient of the slope? So do you all remember how you do this? Both of it is already in meters, right? So it's 80 divided by 80 will give you 1. 400 divided by 80 would give you what? So the answer is 1 in 5, which is A. Yes, Lydia, that's correct. So it is 80. They tell you the vertical difference in height was 80. So it will be 80 divided by 80. The horizontal distance is 400. So it will be 400 divided by 80, and that gives you 5. Everybody understand how you calculate gradient again? Number 7. Which of the following statements about latitude is true? I think we got this question as well before. So number 7, what is the feature of the latitude? It's D. Very good. Number 7 is D. Very good. And it is they represent angular distance between north and south of the equator. Number 8, and this question is, we got this question before. The feature labeled S in the grid square is situated in grid square what? So we know eastings always go before northings and it forms an L. So eastings before northings, and that answer is, it is, what is 8? What is the answer for number 8? You have eastings before northings. Remember that it forms an L. So do an L and you will find it. Number 8 is C. Very good. Very good, Lydia. Very good, Orlando. Number 8 is C. 93, 27. You make an L. Number 9. Which is a form of settlement in which the church is located? So look for the symbol of the church and it's along a road. Which settlement pattern is that? Number 9, the settlement pattern is along that. It's A. Very good. Very good, Orlando and Danny. 10. Let's move quickly. 10. The feature passing through Q, just look at the actual key and it will tell you. So 10 is D, the rail wave. Excellent. 11, that is an easy question. Number 11 now. Looking at this map, we got this question before. What type of settlement would be located along X and Y? 11, again, it's a road, so we know that it's linear A. Very good. Orlando. 12. Which type of farming system is most likely to exist at A? And we said that's a large plot of land. We did that in, I think it was 2019. So 12 is D, large scale agriculture, commercial. 13, the grid reference at point X is what? Again, this is six figures. So you're using the same L, east things before nodding. So it would be what? Point P. When it's on the line, remember that would be 0. So 13 is A. Excellent, Orlando and Lydia. Very good. Very good. Number 14. Where's Jabari and the others? I'm not seeing you replying. I know you all are there. 14 now. The bearing of X from W. So look at where W is and you join that to X. Remember, when you have to hold your protractor to the left side, you're going to have to add that angle when you come from 0 to 180. So the bearing from X, the bearing of X from W is, and we got that already, D. Very good, Danny. 15 now, and Orlando, very good. The rest of you, come on, answer. It will help you to remember it, especially for the exam when you have the repeats. But read the question. The read the questions carefully in your exam. Huh? The contour interval. What is the contour interval again? It's the spacing between each contour, the value by which it increases. So this contour interval on this map is how much? Very good. 15 is A. Excellent, Orlando. 16 now. What answer is the shaded landform at Y? 16. 16. What is that if you shade that at 400? Sorry, 100 at Y? That's what? It's no, it's A. It's a hill. The ridge would be the top, 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 top. So the ridge of the mountain or the hill, in this case, it's a small feature, would be 120, the top of it, right? So it's basically a hill. It's not a spur, it's not a valley. It's a hill. The annual temperature range, we did this day before, I think on Monday. So this would have been the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature. And we said that that answer is what? 17 is B. Very good. So it was 20, 28 minus 25, which gives you 3. 19. What type of climatic pattern is this? We got this answer before already. Sorry, 18. The rainfall pattern indicates what? A. Rainfall throughout the year. 18 is A and 19 is also A. Sorry, I went ahead too fast. Sorry, 19 is B, equatorial. I made an error. 19 is B. 19 is B. 19 is B. 20. Looking at 20 now, you have to look at the data, right? How many persons per square kilometer did Barbados have? We did this yesterday, yeah? So it would be population divided by area, which gives you how much? There's an error in this question, I believe. The answer is actually supposed to be 268,792 divided by 432 will give you 6222%. So 20 is an error. So 20 is an error, right? Error on the paper. There's no answer there that correlates. Let me check it. Let me double check it. It is 622, and that is not there, y'all. So 20 is an error, right? So make note of that. 21. 21 now. Based on the data, which of the following statements about the country with the lowest population density is true? Very good, Guyana. That's true, right? It has the smallest population, so that is Guyana. Guyana. Let us look at 22 now. 22. Which part of the island, 2, 3, and 4, has the smallest population? Looking at your key, you would see the persons per kilometers, and that will tell you. So 22 is D, which is 4, right? Region 4. The map shows population what? Well, they just actually tell you all, so that's a easy question. Smallest population. That is showing 23 is B, population density. Very good, Lydia. 24 now. 24. We got this question yesterday. Which country produced just over 1/10 of the aluminum in the world? So you look at it. Which one produced just about over 1/10? So that is C. C, right? The closest answer is C. 20, 25 now, number 25. Norway. Very good. D. 25 is D. Very good. 26 now. We got this one yesterday. What type of plate boundary is this? Two plates are colliding. 26 is two plates are colliding. Convergent plate boundaries. Very good. Very good. 27 now. The feature shown at R is good A. It is all volcanoes, not fold mountains, volcanoes. Remember that. 28 now. A volcanic spine can develop when? What happens? What causes that spine to actually form? Another easy one. Viscous lava is what type of lava? Very good, Danny. It's A. Viscous lava is thick, slow moving lava and it cools, right? And when it cools, of course, it will plug the vent and create this volcanic spine. 29. We got this question already. Which of the following statement explains how vegetation contributes to soil? 30 is how vegetation contributes to soil. What happens when vegetation falls? It decomposes into organic matter into the soil. So that would be B. Oh, I skip out 29 totally. Sorry. Potholes will tend to form on a bend of a river if the river has what? So 29, sorry, I skipped out 29 totally. I wanted 30. Is C. That is where the upper course, where the gradient is steeper, right? So it is where the river has will form on the bend of the river where there's a high volume. So 29 is C. Very good. 29 is C and 30 is B. Very good, Orlando. 29 is C. Sorry, I skipped over it totally. C. And 30 is B. 31 now. 31. The question for 31 is which of the following statements may explain why some areas in the Caribbean territories are sparsely settled? So 31, I will go with, what will you go with? Is it that it's hilly and forested, they have no mineral resources, transport links are generally poor? 31. Mm-mm. Yes, I would go with B, 1 and 3. Right? 1 and 3, 31B. Oh, Lydia is saying B, all of the above. You see, even when you have mineral resources, you tend not to have high population as well because that is where they would use to develop the resources. Like if it's gold mining or bauxite mining, it tend to have um, resources. So I wouldn't say they have no mineral resources, right? So I would go with B. I would go with B, Lydia. You understand why I'm saying B? 32. Which of the following factors is the most important contributor to the growth of cities in the Caribbean? So 32 is a common, it's A. is Mr. Wayne? Dre. I don't know who is Mr. Wayne. 33. I don't know who you're talking about. 33. Let's go. Which of the following conditions is a problem in urban areas? And we got this answer already. So it's A, right? 33 is A. Oh, okay, okay, okay. 30, what happened there? Sorry, B, inadequate housing. What am I writing? B. Sorry. B, inadequate housing. I don't know what I write there. Sorry. 33 is B. Yes, 33 is B. Shortage of housing. Inadequate housing, right? Not labor. Sorry. 34. Which of the following condition is not a problem affecting industrial development? So it is size of labor. Mix up the answer. So 34 is C. 34 is C. Everybody got that right? 34 is C, not 8 Orlando. C. 34 is C. The market is definitely a problem because we have to compete with so many other countries. So it's the size of the labor force, right? You understand why it's not A Orlando? 35. So 35, which of the following factors may increase the rate of soil erosion? So what is afforestation? Do you all know that is planting trees where trees never existed before? So that will definitely not increase the rate. So this would actually reduce the rate of soil erosion. So therefore your answer is C. Very good, Orlando. C. Very good, Lydia. C. Very good. 36. Which of the following features is most typical of wheat farming as practiced in the prairies of Canada? This is not on your syllabus anymore, um, but for wheat farming, this is usually a commercial type of crop, right? It's done on large plots of land, commercial farming. So the answer would actually be D, mechanization, right? So that is D, right? 36 is D. But that is no longer on the syllabus, so I don't think that question should come. 37 now. We did these questions yesterday. 75% of the total exports. 37 is A, Barbados. Very good. We did that yesterday. 38 now. Ray, why are you not answering any questions? And Jabari, I don't know where Jabari went. In which of the following territories was the greatest difference in the value between primary and manufactured products? And 38 is, we got this yesterday. We said it was Guyana. So Guyana is B. 39. Very good, Lydia. 39, we got this question just now, a while ago. So that is 1 and 2. They change the order of it. So look at that. 39 is now A. So read your questions carefully in the exam, right? They change the order of which they put the answer, so it will be different. So make sure that you read it over. Which of the following factors cause temperatures to be high in the Caribbean? And we did this already. So 40 is, you see, it's 40 is C, the latitude. Very good. 41. Which of the following industries is classified as tertiary? We did this before as well. So 41 is no. B, Danny, B. Oil refining is secondary, right? So it's B. Very good, Danny. You understand why? 42 now. Which of the following situation have resulted from the setting up of secondary industries in the Caribbean? No, 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 no. Would you say that our cost of living decrease? Not at all. We're still paying a lot of money for food, and our cost of living is quite high. And that is because we still do a lot of imports, although we have industries that are set up here, right? So a lot of the industries as well, they are what you call multinational corporations. So sometimes the money is sent back. So our cost of living is still high. So it's increased in our market and employment, which would be 42 is B, y'all. 42 is B. Everybody understand that? 42 is B. Orlando, you understand why 42 is B? 43. Which of the following measures the government use to influence the location of industries? And we just got this one. So 43 would be A, right? 43 is .44 now. Coral reefs, 44. Looking at 44, a coral reef which is separated from mainland by a wide lagoon is called what? What type of coral reef is that? It's a barrier. Very good. Very good, Orlando. 45, which is needed for the growth of corals. 45 is warm temperatures, which is B. Very good. 46 now. Which of the following plates is being pushed under the Caribbean plate? Do you all know the location of the Caribbean plate? No. Which one is being pushed under? It's only the Cocos plate, right? So look at the map of the tectonics plate and look at the arrows, which will show the direction and you would see where the collision is taking place and which one is subducting, right? So the one that is being pushed under the plate margin, for that is A. So the Cocos plate is being pushed, right? And they form the volcanoes. So 46 is A. 47, the transform plate margin. Cluster plates are doing what? 47 is it's B. Very good. They are sliding past each other. 48 now. What type of plate margin are associated with the volcanoes of the Caribbean? And we got this question before. So 48 is, everybody should know, is A, convergent. Very good, Orlando and Lydia. 49, which of the following features is characteristics of volcanoes in the Eastern Caribbean? So the Eastern Caribbean is that Lesser Antilles island arc where we have the lots of volcanoes on the different islands. It's a convergent boundary. So what type of lava would you have? You would have a more acidic lava. Good. So it is B. 49 is B. Very good, y'all. 50. The cultivation of crops that uses extensive practices and has high yields per worker. It's called what? Extensive high yields per worker. Very good. Commercial. Commercial arable. What type of soil related to the equatorial climate? The type of soil related to the equatorial climate is called what? So 51 is good. B, it's a lattice soil. Lattice soils. We got that correct. Lattice soils. 52. Which of the following resources is most important when considering the location of primary industry? This is an easy one. It utilizes the raw materials, so that is D. 52 is D. 53 now. What type of pollution is common to the activities involving the items there? So 53 is B, noise pollution. Very good. 54 now. This question, I don't like it at all. This 54, where it says to reduce problem of pollution created by household waste. The only one that we can go with is D. B. That is a stupid question because even burying it causes leaching of the garbage, right? The it will leach into the groundwater supply. So that is not a good question. 55. Most which of the following contributes most to pollution in the capitals in CARICOM? We got this one already. So we know that is C, the exhaust fumes. 56 now. Which of the following events poses the most threat to the rivers of the Caribbean? So it would be C. Very good. Right? So that is actually deforestation and erosion. It wouldn't be tourism activities, right? Or mixed cropping. 57. Which of the following is not expected to pollute the underground water supply? So if you throw these things, what will not? So 57 is 57. Everybody know what is mulch? Mulch is like pieces of wood, chip pieces of wood, and they use that on the top around the crops to prevent weeds from growing. 59, sorry, 58. I'm jumping. 58. Which of the following sources is least likely to harm the environment? And this is an easy one again. So this is nuclear is harmful, natural gas is harmful, oil is harmful, but we get solar radiation every day, right? Incoming solar radiation, and that does not harm us. 59 now. What is the order? The order of which soil erosion becomes a problem. So 59 is no, 59 is it's not A. Deforestation would be the first thing, right? In order to decrease infiltration, that will lead to increased runoff and then it leads to soil erosion. So it is B, right? Deforestation comes first before increased runoff. So you can only have increased runoff if there's decreased infiltration caused by deforestation. You understand that, Orlando? So 59 is B. 59 is B, y'all. Deforestation first. 16, the last one. Which is the following? Which combination of factors would most likely result in flooding? Soil conservation methods in use. Nope. Deforestation and dumping of garbage in rivers. So that's 2 and 3, which is C. Very good. Okay, so that's the end of our session today. So we did 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. We can try to go through 2020 tomorrow and also 2015, right? And the others that we don't get to, I will try to post them, post the answers. All right, so thank you again. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so before, and like the live, and share with your friends so that they can also benefit. So tomorrow at 4 again, right? Tomorrow at 4. Maybe I can try to do two as well, two papers tomorrow. So I could start a little bit earlier, like 3:30 or so. Unless you all have, I think some people might have exams, but I think exams is in the morning. All right, so have a good afternoon, guys. Bye. Remember to go to Discord for the answer sheets, okay? And make whatever changes you need to. Bye.